So guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So guys, this is a pepper sauce with fried turkey. If you want to see how I made this delicious goodness, guys, if you like spicy sauce and turkey wings, then this recipe is definitely for you. Welcome back. My name is Justina, and if you're new here, please subscribe. It is all about food, cooking delicious yummy Nigerian African food, and also mukbang, the demolition of the food, guys. So welcome, come on board. Let me show you guys how I made this delicious goodness. I hope you stay tuned to the end of this video because it is a yummy one. Guys, for my ingredients for today, I am using yellow bell pepper, sweet red pepper, the pointed one, ginger and garlic, 2 habanero pepper, red and white onions. I'm using maggi, I'm using salt, curry powder and mixed seasoning, vegetable oil. So guys, this is my turkey wings. I'm using big turkey wings. It is washed and clean now, so we are going to start adding ingredients in our turkey. So guys, I'm adding my onions. I'm using the 2 white onions for boiling the meat. So guys, I'm using 2 maggi. I'm adding salt, mixed seasoning, curry. Okay, I am going to cover this and let it start boiling. I'm going to cook it until the meat is tender and soft. Okay, so guys, in this pot we're going to add our vegetable oil because we're going to start making our pepper sauce. We're going to allow that to heat up for a bit. I have blended my sweet red pepper, 3 sweet big red pepper, 2 habanero pepper, 3 onions, ginger and garlic. So I'm going to try and see if I can get some of the liquid out of it before I add it inside the pot. And also, I did not blend it to be smooth. I just want it to be very rough. I'm going to add my red onions. I'm going to allow it to fry for 2 minutes. I have added my pepper mixture and I am going to allow it to fry and let the pepper mixture dry up a bit. Because I have taken out loads of water from this, I'm not going to be frying it for too long. So guys, our turkey is ready. It is now tender and soft. I am going to take it out of the stove now. I have put this pot on the stove. I'm going to add oil so we can start frying our turkey. So I'm going to add oil. So I'm going to allow the oil to heat up and then I'll start adding my turkey. sauce for like 15 minutes. I am going to add seasoning. I'm going to add mixed seasoning. So I've added 2 teaspoons of that, and I'm going to add curry. I've also added 2 teaspoons of that. I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add some of the turkey sauce. Allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Now I am going to take out my turkey. Guys, after 5 minutes, I am going to taste for maggi and salt. There is no maggi and salt. I'm going to add maggi. I'm adding 2 maggi, and I'm adding salt. I'm going to give it another few seconds because the sauce is ready. Let it just simmer with the maggi and salt. Guys, I am done frying my sauce, and I am done frying my turkey. So now I'm going to add my turkey inside the chili sauce. To leave 2 turkey out because this sauce is very spicy. If my kids can't take it, if they don't like the spice, because it is very spicy, it is a pepper sauce, so it is extra spicy. So yes, I've added that, and I am going to put it back on the stove and let it simmer with the meat for 5 minutes. Our sauce and our turkey is ready. I am going to add my yellow bell pepper. And I'm just gonna allow the yellow bell pepper to simmer with it for a few seconds. So guys, our fried turkey and pepper sauce is ready, guys. It is ready. I can't wait to dive in and demolish like champions. This sauce is so tasty, and it is absolutely extra spicy if you like spice. I am in the mood of spiciness today. The weather has been a bit upsetting, but yes, it is ready, and it is super delicious, guys. It is super delicious. This can go so well with boiled yam, roasted plantain, even rice as well. This sauce is absolutely delicious. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one.